In this video, I will guide you how you can use Microsoft Copilot AI. So first of all, you need to simply start by opening up your Microsoft Edge, or you can also do this on Google. And then you need to simply search for Bing AI. And this will gonna bring you to the Copilot, where you need to first of all start by selecting your conversation style. Now there are three categories: more creative, which is going to be like a chat or answer with the more creativity; more balanced, which is going to be informed and for everyday use; more precise, you can say if you want the fact information of that particular topic, you need to select it, and then you need to simply enter your particular prompt and then click on the submit button. You also have your microphone option, which you can click and say whatever you want to ask Microsoft Bing, and it will gonna reply. You will also have then add an image option. If I click on it, I have two options. So let's go with upload from this device. So after uploading, you can simply ask Bing AI like what it is or anything like that. After that, this will gonna take few seconds, and after analyzing your particular image, this is going to give you a particular prompt. Now you can use this prompt or information to write a prompt or anything like in others AI to generate your image, just like the image that you have sent. So you can also ask it to generate a prompt for your image, and this will gonna give you your prompt. This might be not 100% accurate, but it will 90% accurate. Then you have your new topic option and your recent history that you can also delete according to your will. So that's the overview of how you can use Microsoft Copilot AI.